In this video, we will understand calculus first part derivative, and in this video we will done only basic like derivative. Like derivative is denoted by this sign where let's say here y. We have to find derivative with respect to x. The coefficient which is with respect to come to numerator and the derivative which have to find in denominator, like y is equal to 10x square. Then differentiate a derivative with respect to x, means we have to find derivative which y with respect to x. This is the format, and it's write as differentiation of y with respect to x. If I write differentiation of y with respect to x, write as differentiation of y with respect to x. Now let's understood this basic derivative. When x is a polynomial or any constant coefficient and n is power, then its derivative is n times x raised to power n minus 1. The power come to forward and 1 is subtract from the power. Let we have x5, y is equal to x raised to power 5. Then dy, derivative of y with respect to x, is written as derivative of x raised to power 5x, and it's same. Then 5 come and x raised to power 5 minus 1 means x raised to power 4. It is final answer. If k is any constant, then its derivative is 0. Like y is equal to 5, then dy by dx is 0. Also, y is equal to 5x square. Then dy by dx. 5 is a constant which come out, and we have to find this, and it is simple. 5, its derivative is 2 times x. 2 minus 1 means 5. 2 raised to power x means 10x. I hope you understand it. Let's do some question. Now we solve previous dy upon dx. Derivative of y with respect to x is derivative of x raised to power 5, which is equal to 5 x raised to power minus 1 4, and this is the answer. Now dy by dx is equal to d upon dx x raised to power 10. Now 10 come to the next, and x raised to power 10 minus 1 means 10 times x raised to power 9. Now we have to find derivative with respect to t. In previous we have to find with respect to x. Now it is very simple. Derivative with y with respect to t is equal to derivative y is equal to 5t square upon dt, and it is also written as 5 come to out because it is a constant derivative of t square, which is 5. Its derivative is 2 times of t, which come out 10t. Now same, we have to find dy. With respect to dt, we have to find derivative with respect to t. Same, we have to t raised to power 5, which is equal to 5 times t raised to power 4, and it is our final answer. I hope you understand derivative, how derivative work. In this video we will discuss derivative of x raised to power n, like it is equal to n times x raised to power n minus 1. You can understand it like this: derivative of star raised to power n with respect to star is equal to n times star n minus 1. If you forget x or anything without load, you can remember it. And derivative of with respect to any number is a k, which is a constant. Its derivative is equal to 0. I hope you understand it. Comment if you understand and give me a very faithful comment how like your video.